Welcome back, everybody. Today we have to discuss Plug because many of you asked me about doing update for it because of course Plug did really great for the last few days. Before we start our video, guys, we have to do our disclaimer for today. Remember, our content here is just education purposes only. We not provide any financial advice, and nothing shown here is guaranteed for profit or investment result. However, right now, guys, we have to discuss Plug for the trading session for this month and the rest of this year, because we've got something going on, which is a reversal of almost 100%. We already did 100% before, but the main thing is we have to watch out for the next jump, because every time we have a reversal jump and go down. For this time, we have to confirm if Plug started to reverse after the major loan from the government loan, almost 100 billion, and this might change the trajectory for Plug from the bearish to the bullish. So let me just lower my screen here down to see the chart. As you can see here, guys, we have a breakout for Plug from this trend, which is a bit bearish. I know that if the last earnings, we still have a deficit in the revenue back in March this year, then May, we have a bit of good revenue. So there's a turning point in the revenue side, which is the most important for the investors. That's why a lot of investors watching for Plug. Look at that. We have last good earnings we have, or the last good revenue, it was in 2023, and after that every time we have a deficit in the revenue. Back in November 2003, we have again here, so we never have a good revenue until last time in the 12th of May. The last earning we have almost suppress almost 2 million or 1% of revenue. So this time, guys, we expect or estimate is 158 from before 133. So even the analyst is expecting almost 20 million plus in revenue, and this will be good to see for 1 month from now, because after this good revenue projection, we have a nice reversal for Plug from the 68 until now almost 100%. So before the earnings, guys, the next earning we need to hold for Plug, for my opinion, here over the $1.24, because last time we dipped until the $1 and we have another jump. Right now we have a little pullback and we expect another jump. So what we should expect for Plug, guys, we need to break the 157. This is, for my opinion, the most important level, and hold over this white line. You see here we have the breakout back here on May 2025, and now we need to hold this ascending channel over the $1.24. $1 should be the bottom for this year, and of course go toward the 180 and $2.13, for my opinion, at least for the coming weeks and coming few months for Plug. And of course, we're going to update you guys minute by minute, second by second on our Discord and Bitcoin, where we discuss mini stocks before the jump, and of course updated the level once we have the breakout. In the meantime, we're still holding 6% down, but Plug is pretty volatile, because last time we jumped here, we did almost 20% in 1 day. So 6% is okay, is normal for this pullback, because the whole market is pulling back. However, as we said, once we break the 157 will be a good, clear indication that Plug started to reverse from this bearish channel. And of course, preparation before the earnings, because if we have a breakout before the earnings over the $1.57, this would be a good sign that the revenue and the earnings will be really good and green the next time. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you want to update for Plug almost daily or per week, in order to watch this breakout and see this recovery for Plug from the $1 until the 2, 3 and beyond for this month. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, to our live streaming as usual to discuss those stocks in depth. Thank you for watching.